Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'm going to try to see if I could quickly add this bumper lid on this BMW M550i. I just have them delivery yesterday and this morning I'm going to try to see if I could add them on. As you can see, it's a little 4-piece bumper. I already have everything set up. I just have to remove the bumper so I could install it since I don't have a rent to install or get the cars up. So the cameras have died. I couldn't show the process of me removing the bumper, but I already installed the bumper lid, like you guys can see, with some double tap screws. So when you're driving at high speed, this thing won't just fly off. But the way I install them, doesn't look like they're going anywhere. But so far, so good. After putting everything together, this thing is looking good. I like them. See that. But getting ready to set everything up, getting the bumper back on the car. It was raining a little bit, so I had to pause. Just cleaning some parts, get some debris out of the brake, whatever that is. Cleaning. And just trying to figure out how am I going to put this on. The taking the bumper was a bit easy, but looked like if I have a partner, it would have been easy to reinstall it. I think we have to put it on. Just doing a little cleaning because it was raining. I just didn't want to connect everything back with all the water installed and don't go bad or whatever. Just cleaning this side also. So I could just plug in the parking sensor and all the everything that connected. Just have to install them back one side and then do the other side. But if I had help, it would have been quick and easy. Just taking a little bit longer than normal, but it worth it. Cause after installing the bumper, I don't know if the cameras could pick that up, but it's looking, changed the whole look of the car. I sort of wish most BMW or whichever car just come with them pre-install. That way we didn't have to go through all that trouble trying to change the car and make it look different or whichever. Like every time I put one side when I'm trying to do the other side, so the one I put in just fall back. That's why I said if I had help, it would have been quick and easy. But this is just me. You gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, it's starting to look. Just have to just clip everything back, tight on some screws, and put the grill back on. That's it. I already done the other side. Now I have to just close the gap, put the screw back on, and that's it for this side. Just putting the bolt. Should be done. And just putting the grill back on and get everything clean, wiped down, and that should be it. And I will show you guys a little closer look once I'm done with this. And look at this right here, man. I don't know if the cameras could pick that up, but this changed the whole front end of the car. It looked different, but this piece right here, maybe I'm gonna wrap it gloss black also. And man, I like it. Which all the cars should just come with it, so I didn't have to deal with all that trying to install this. But everything turned out great. This is the whole look. Turn it around. Front end. But thank you guys. Thanks for watching. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.